What up, everyone, on this rainy day? What is in this hairy hand? Let's see. What? How can this be? It's the Spigen Rugged Armor Apple Watch 42mm case. And on that video, I said that this was a plastic. This is a rubber. I got my facts wrong. But this part right here is actually plastic, but everything else is rubber. Anyways, the reason I decided to keep this, and if you haven't seen the video that I told about that and showed about this case, then I'm going to put a link below where you can go watch the video. So the reason I'm keeping this case is because I wrote them, and I wrote the people that I bought this from, and they said they would give me my money back, but I have to pay for shipping to send this back. And I told them that I didn't get a screen protector, and on YouTube I saw people getting screen protector. Then they wrote back and said, sorry for the inconvenience, sorry for the discommunication. And they used to sell screen protectors on this case, for this case, with it, but they discontinued that. They stopped doing that. So I didn't get a screen protector. So I decided to keep this. And I bought a different screen protector that I'll show you that screen protector in another video. But they also said, since I thought that I was getting a screen protector and they misspoke and I didn't read the description right, they sent me 2 screen protectors. So I'll just show you those screen protectors real quick, and then you can see how they are. Okay. So these are the 2 screen protectors that they sent me for free, but they usually don't send them at all. So anyways, that's what the 2 screen protectors look like. And they sent me a little note that you can pause this and read it. And yep, there you go. So that's what they sent, and I really like this company. They're very good with their products and everything. It just wasn't just communication. So if you're going to buy this product, you will not get a screen protector. And if you were hoping for a screen protector, be warned. They have some other cases that are like this that come with a screen protector built on it, but it's like a case that it's like a lid that goes on it like a. But anyways, so if you want to buy this, I'll put a link below, and hope you enjoy this video, and hope you like everything that I do. Please leave a comment if you like this video, and please click the bell button so you can be notified when I do more videos, and have a great day on this rainy day. Bye.